Right, day number 55. We got a break even right here, and then this is my paper trade for the day. I'll let you know in a bit why I took this long and why I closed this earlier. There's actually a pattern that I recognize here that's been happened to me, so I decided to close it earlier. So let's dive into the daily. So the daily chart is looking pretty bearish, right? So we got this candle right here from yesterday that broke structure. And this is where I expected a retracement before price going down. Either that or the 12-hour fair value gap, which we didn't had either. Now, if you go into the 4-hour, you can see 4-hour closed pretty bearish. And now you got this low right here, and anything from up here to down here could just be a lower high. So 4 hours still looking pretty bearish on that close. Same thing for the 1 hour. However, the important part here is anything. So the next few candles will determine where the lower high is. So there's a possibility. This was before I knew the move was going to happen. And this is why I took the long on the paper trade. There's a possibility that after we touch this daily order block and we close below here, that this is good enough to produce a reaction, just so it can start going all the way up to somewhere around this area. Now, if you look at the 1 hour, same thing happening, and basically the same on the 15-minute and the 5, except now we inverted this for value gap. Now, going down, I could have shorted. You might be thinking, well, you could have just shorted all this price action right here. It's actually really clean. Yes, but keep in mind that up until here, I could not trade because I have the 15-minute trade rule. So first 15 minutes of New York session, I don't trade, and that's about it. So when the time came, I was looking at the 5-minute, and I kind of missed the entry here. But still, I would have probably taken a break even, because my thesis for that is that we would actually go visit the 12-hour fair value gap, which was down there, and my stop was up here. Now, okay, that's paper trade, TP hit. That's actually well executed. Now, for this, when I realized that I missed that move, this touch of this 5-minute order block, I decided to enter on this 1-minute inverted fair value gap with the stop above here. Thesis being that we would at most fill the wick right here, fill this gap, and then sell. And when I saw this happening, so we started just getting really range bound here. I know this is like very small range bound, but once I saw this happening, I remember not too long ago, I took basically the same trade. So I basically forced the entry, and it was near a daily level, and we were already touched it, and I moved my target for that day to lower. So I just decided, you know what, after this reaction, if price comes near TP again and it doesn't react immediately down, I'm just going to close, because I don't want to be betting on the 1 hour power of 3 coming up. That's combined with the 4 hour power of 3 coming up as well. So I decided to close it there and basically just wait. Then I waited for a little bit, and we got this nice reaction on this daily order block, which is this line right here. And I'm thinking at this point, okay, there's the 1-minute break of structure right here. There's also the 5-minute break of structure. Where do I want to enter? So there's this order block right here. This is my paper trade thesis. There's this order block right here. So I'm going to enter here, put the stop below the lows, which was right here, and play the 1 hour and 4 hour internal structure to at least here. This is where like the previous 1 hour candle close was, to at least here, and just hope that we expand higher and that this order block produces a reaction, because now the 5-minute, the 1-minute are bullish, and we touch the bullish daily order block. So, and as price was developing, I started to move my stop loss, as you can see. So soon as I got this move all the way up to here, I moved the stop to break even, and I was just sort of waiting. Now, there's another thing, which before hitting record, I planned to enter with one contract here, stop there, and the TP here somewhere. Not here actually, but yeah, stop here and TP here. But yeah, I just decided not to because that would break my discipline that I've been trying to build and actually take 3 trades on the day. So that's it. Overall, pretty happy with the execution, not the entry, but the ability to recognize this mistake right here on shorting a daily level, a crucial daily level, because rarely we just sell straight through it. So overall, good call on exiting here. I had a little bit of FOMO because I saw these candles developing almost to my TP. But then I remembered that, okay, yeah, this is still a daily order block. I did the right call because I'm shorting a high time frame order block, and you don't want to bet against the high time frame PD array. So that's it for today. I basically got done with my trading at 3 p.m. So a quick one. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.